What up YouTube? In today's video we are going to be installing some upper control arms on the rear to achieve -17 to -19. So I'm going to take you to the back of the Z. As you guys can see, I already have the old one taken out. It was really easy to break. Like, you guys shouldn't have problems at all, and it was like the easiest thing to do. I thought it was really difficult, that's why everyone would avoid doing the uppers, but with my personal experience, literally just one jab of the wrist and it came off. And my Z has around 62,000 miles, so I don't know, but I don't know guys, it was easy for me. So here's the new arms. I got some godspeeds. We're gonna be taking off this collar, this one right here, and maybe this one to maximize the camber that I get. So I'm trying to get -17 to -19 degrees of camber on the rear, and I believe these give me like -13, but we're gonna be running -8 on those lower control arms. So right here, -8 on these lower control arms. So the Z is coming along. The goal is to finish it this month. So this is pretty forward. This goes basically right here, y'all. Goes into, sorry guys, right up there. Trying to do this with one hand is pretty difficult. Just like that. As you can see, pretty good fitment. So let me mock this up, put a bolt through it, and then we'll tackle this piece right here. All right guys, check it out. I don't know how much camber this is. This is not the final product, but you can see how much camber I got with these arms. These are the 350Z upper control arms. They fit 370, Q50. They fit a bunch of arms. I mean, they fit a bunch of cars, but check it out. Like a glove. Went in super easy. Install was crazy easy, y'all. Like, and you get this much camber. Like, that's a lot of camber, y'all. Check it out. Next I'm gonna be doing the other side, but since this is gonna be probably the final video with all the camber done, you know what I'm trying to say. So right now I'm taking off the camber eccentric bolt right here. As you guys can see, I already loosened it. I think the nut is, yeah, the nut is right there on the bottom. So all I gotta do is push this back, put the non-adjustable one, and then all my adjustments will be from the bottom and the toe arm. So that's what I'm gonna be doing next. So I do have the lockout kit. This is already tied in pretty tight. I took off the locking nut because, guys, if you leave this nut, you're gonna miss a few millimeters of camber, and you're trying to maximize the amount of camber you get from these arms. Because come on, you guys paid $400, so you want to get the max amount of camber. So overall, that's a lot of camber as it is. Like, gee, that's tilted, y'all. That's crazy. But I do hope I don't have to cut this, the fuel tank. So we'll play with the camber. I am getting some big springs. I already got it, I think 24K. But yeah, so let's continue on the other side and do this exact same thing, adjust everything, and let's see how much camber I get. Do a little quick eyeball alignment, and if I have the time, and we'll see what happens. All right guys, so the other side is done now. Sorry for the noise, it's pretty hot here, but as you guys can see, upper control arm is on. I got -11 here /10 on the rotor, and on this rotor I got between 12, 11, and 10 depending on how I angle my phone. So I believe we're good. I got -16 with these upper control arms, and this bottom piece maxed out, the lower camber arm. So I don't know how much I'm gonna get once I go down, but overall looks pretty good. Looks really nice. Everything's tightened up, coilover's in. So yeah. And here is the back of the Z, guys. As you guys can see, the upper control arms really does magic. Like, you can see how much camber on both sides. This is like so much camber, guys. I'm so excited. So you can see that. Whew. Looks amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go edit this right now and post it for y'all. But basically the back is already done. I am so happy. I know I'm gonna get more camber once I lower the car. This is stagnant camber, and you guys can see how sexy that crap is. Oh my god, look at that. So that is all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, DM me. If you guys want to know the specs, what I did, how to achieve this. I'm not gonna gatekeep. I want more static 370Zs out here. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and take care.